Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to change your Gmail email address. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to change your Gmail email address here, well, there are a few things that we need to know and we need to understand here when it comes to Gmail. So how do we change those information and can we actually change it? Well, first things first, you want to access the Gmail app here. Let's go and click on our profile icon or our profile photo at the top right of our screen. And from here, you want to go and choose the manage your Google account. Let's go and just select that one. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and choose the personal info section. You should see a bunch of information about yourself. Go and choose the option here that says email. Let's go and select that one. And from here, you should see all the email addresses that is connected to your account. Now, the thing with email addresses inside Google here, so think of Google account email addresses as unique ID. So meaning it is the ID or the default ID that makes your account. So basically it's the actual root of your account. And according to Google here, right now, the address that you are currently using right now, your Google account email, is the one that you won't be able to change. Now, in some cases, Google allows you to update this before. Like there is a process and there is a setting here for your Google account before, but this is only available for certain accounts. So maybe like older or really old accounts. So maybe like accounts created like in the 2010s or even older. So they would have the option to create or change their Google account email. But then again, it's being removed totally by Google, so some accounts may not have that feature enabled in their Google account. Now, unfortunately, this is the only way for you to update your Google email account if Google actually permits you. So in this case, if just in case you want to like recover your email later on, if you're using a different email address, well, you may want to add this as an alternative contact email address. You can even add it as an alternative email address in here. So just in case you lose access on this one, you still have access through that other email address that you are going to add in here, either in the recovery, contact email, or alternative email here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.